We all know, GMOs are bad, right? They have a bad rep, but why even is that? And are they actually even that bad?
Well, yes, of course, they are. My mom said so.
Well, Jimmy! Not everything your mom says is right. GMOs surprisingly have a very innocent nature to them. So I was curious on why they had gained such a bad reputation in the first place. News media has always put a negative label on GMOs, advertising GMO-free as the new best thing. And for the most part, without question, people would just listen to this. But why would this even be? What even are GMOs? GMOs are genetically modified organisms. To simplify, scientists may change the genetic structure of a plant or animal to get a desired trait they would like. For example, if you want your corn to be drought-proof, you may take the genetic trait from another organism that shares this quality, allowing your corn to be better at fighting droughts. One concern about this is the spread of GMOs into natural environments, basically the mixing of GMO plants with normal plants. A change that was only implemented for a short period of time was GMO terminator seeds, allowing the sterile plant to be grown and then die once the harvest season is complete. Agriculture industry showed extreme disapproval of this method because they would have to buy more and more seeds each year as their seeds would not be able to be taken from the harvest. Another complaint was about herbicide resistance, allowing farmers to use more and more glyphosate or Roundup. Fortunately, it's not toxic to humans in normal amounts, but using these chemicals puts the farmers in a scenario where they're relying heavily on one chemical. If the product fails, the industry will be in a crisis. So with these negatives, are GMOs any good at all? It seems not. GMOs, even with all these negatives, have been proven by the USDA to not pose any danger in consumption in comparison to any normal food. GMOs have actually been used to save Hawaiian papayas in the past. According to Sarah Nell Davidson, in her article, The Forbidden Fruit, Transgenic Papaya in Thailand, it is said that the ring spot virus infected papayas in Thailand and in Hawaii, but using GM fruit allowed them to be vaccinated from the ring spot virus, saving the industry and allowing us to still enjoy papaya today. Although chemical usage never sounds positive, such GM development such as herbicide and pest resistance save countless amounts of crops per year. This is an important defense protecting our food supply, which is growing ever more important with the growing population. GMOs are also used for many other applications. People with diabetes rely on GM insulin. It is much more efficient because you do not need to rely on livestock for animal insulin. GMOs are also seen in fruit that carry higher nutrition levels, which can help solve malnutrition and world hunger. I know I'm using a lot of data from a lot of articles here, so I'm going to put them in the description below, so if you want to check them out yourself, you can. GMOs offer us a way to change genetics in the exact way we would like, and not only in plants. The limits of GM tech are only that of our imagination, and how far we are willing to push it. For example, we may be able to stop world hunger, as said before, with more nutritious food, as well as even possibly slowing aging, like the microbe named the Hydra. This could increase human lifespans and other animals' lifespans. They also offer us a solution to greenhouse gas emissions, through plants like the chestnut tree, which soak in large amounts of CO2. So yes, I do find GMOs very interesting and very exciting, and maybe a way to solve our greatest problems worldwide. And yes, Jimmy, not everything your mom told you was true. GMOs have their positives and negatives, but at the end of the day, it's an exciting realm of science that should not be feared by the masses. Education to the masses seems to be the best option for the popularization and reduced negative stigma assigned to GMOs by a loud majority. Changing the media's view on GMOs and how consumers see it and its applications is also necessary for the development of further technologies of genetic modification. GMOs are very controversial, so I hope you took something away from this video, and I want to thank you for watching.